Hi, this is Brian here. Just wanted to share with you today this Pee and Poo travel kit that I use, and I'll show you everything that goes into this waste basket, and also use that. I can squat on there and actually poop in a bag. So we'll start here where I have this cape here, raincoat cape, that I can use to just provide privacy. And also I have here this Freshette. It's a feminine urinary director for women, and they can actually stand up and pee using this. I have toilet paper, and I have Pee-wee urine bags, and these Travel John bags. They have special powder in it, so if you pee in there, it actually turns the pee into a gel. Works really well. Over here, I have an assortment of Ziploc bags and also plastic trash bags, and I use those to collect, can be pee or poop, and I put poo powder in there, and that turns it into a solid. And then here I have some gloves, and I also have these hand wipes here, for wiping hands. And then here are some of these Go Anywhere toilet kits, and they have everything you need for pooping. It has an inner bag with poo powder in there, an outer bag to seal it up. It has some toilet paper, has some hand wipes in there. So each one of those bags have a total system that you can use for pooping and collecting it and sealing it. And here's poo powder, and this poo powder is great because you can put a scoop into any bag. It would turn pee and poop into a solid and deodorize it and break it down. And then here's just a small trash bag, waste basket that I use. And in this I can put a liner in, poo powder, and I can poop in there, squat on that, poop on there. So this is a great system for use many ways. I can have it in my car, so I can use it in my car. I can use it for tenting. I can use it in a winterized RV. When you don't have water in a RV, this gives you a whole system for handling pee and poop. The other thing too, even for like truckers could have this in their truck, and those times when they really have to go, they can handle that, take care of it anyways. So I just wanted to share this with you, and have a great day.